आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
Ladies and gentlemen, public outrage, it's there. It's very much there. We need to channelize it in the right direction. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to my second focus, the terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed has for the first time openly been forced to admit that family members of its chief Masood Azhar were killed during our strike on Bahawalpur as part of Operation Sindoor. These confessions also exposed Pakistan's army and its terror nexus. Here is a summary of what has happened, then we debate.
Operation Sindoor was India's response to the Pahalgam terror attack and Pakistan's worst nightmare. Nine targets, one mission to bring down those who unleashed bloodshed on Indian soil. Months after the successful operation, a Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist laid bare the deep-rooted collusion between Pakistani army and terrorists. Hear what Masood Azhar's close aide Ilyas Kashmir had to say on September 14th. When bodies were taken out of Bahawalpur in coffin, Army Chief issued an order from the government headquarters that they should be saluted for their sacrifice. He confessed that the Pakistan Army Chief ordered salutes for those killed in Bahawalpur.
ये कलह था, ये टेररिज्म, ये दहशतगर्दी की बकवास सीने के साथ लगाए इस मुल्क की नजरियाती जुग्राफियाई सरहदों के लिए कभी हम दिल्ली से टकराए, कभी हम काबुल में टकराए, कभी हम कंधार से टकराए। सब कुछ कुर्बान करने के बाद 7 मई को बहावलपुर के अंदर मौलाना मसूद अजहर की फैमिली के लोग, बहने और बेटे और बच्चे रेजा रेजा हो गए, टुकड़ों में तकसीम हो गए।
These are pictures from May 2025 showing Pakistani army personnel and Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist Hafiz Abdul Rauf, a US designated terrorist, leading the funeral of eliminated terrorists. The most concrete proof of the Munir army's ties to Pak terror networks. While Pakistan stands globally exposed on harboring and exporting cross-border terrorism, the old guards of top terror outfits are exposing the alliances. And not just this, Islamabad's bluff has been called out yet again. The commander has admitted that the family of Masood Azhar, the terror group's top commander, was torn into pieces in strikes in Bahawalpur. The confession of state terror nexus is out. It is only a matter of time that a few remaining Pak sympathizers smell the coffee.
Well, I have with me today, we have Deepak Vora with us, Ambassador Deepak Vora. Thank you very much. So good to see you after such a long time, Not seeing you for a month makes it feel like an eternity. General G.D. Bakshi is with us. General Bakshi, good evening, sir. And I can tell you viewers, General Bakshi, good evening, sir. I can tell you viewers, General Bakshi is a national treasure. He's a national treasure. And he is going to be coming out with the most amazing book on Operation Sindoor.
Yes.
And we can't wait for that book to be in our hands. And General Bakshi, we're looking forward to that. Can you hear me, sir?
Thank you. I can, Arnav, I can.
Thank you, sir.
Very much.
Sir, we have with us Dr. Hamid Khan, journalist from Pakistan, and Abdul Samad Yaqub as well of the PTI. Abdul Samad Yaqub, this terrorist Masood Ilyas Kashmiri of the Jaish-e-Mohammed, he has admitted what the Pakistan government is denying, what the Pakistan army is denying. He says that the missile came, it hit the spot, and the whole family of Masood Azhar was wiped out, which means why they were staying there in that camp. Till now, the admission was that they was not there. They said that the missiles did not hit anything. But this admission comes from this terrorist himself in a speech. Why is the Pakistan government denying what Ilyas Kashmiri is admitting?
Well, the source currently, Masood Ilyas Kashmiri, is more credible than the other official source or the government source. So I endorse him. Yes, the sister of Maulana Masood Azhar, the husband of the, brother-in-law of the Masood Azhar, फिर दो भांजिया मसूद अजहर की, फिर एक भांजा मसूद अजहर का, and then भांजी का बेटा, then भांजी मसूद अजहर की बहन का दामाद, son-in-law of the sister of Masood Azhar. These are the immediate family of the Masood Azhar, which was which got killed in that incident, and there were various other numbers of the extended family of the total. The estimation is like 18 to 20 people which got killed over there. But the immediate family was the sister, brother-in-law, two nieces, one nephew, and then their son and their son-in-law. So these are the confirmed immediate.
From a strategic standpoint, I go across to General Bakshi. This admission by Ilyas Kashmiri is a big confirmation, isn't it, sir, that the May 7th target was a terror target, and the missiles hit right on the spot, because Jaish has put out official confirmation that the strikes hit indeed the terrorist camps.
Absolutely, Arnab. You see, the point was that in 2016, we had carried out the surgical strikes, right? And at that stage, we wanted to send a message over.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately for us, the targets we had chosen were in dense jungle, no population, no media around. And Pakistan denied, nothing happened. Then 2019, we hit Balakot. And Pakistan, once again, it was a remote location. Pakistan denied. You have killed crows and pigeons, right? This time we decided to hit them exactly where their palatial terror headquarters were. Markaz-e Subhan Allah in Bhavalpur, 110 kilometers from the international border. Markaz-e Tayyiba in Lahore, headquarters of the Lashkar-e-Toiba, where the entire planning for 26/11 training, etc. were done. We hit these main terror targets, blasted them out, 5 targets in POK, 4 in the heartland of Punjab, so that the Pakistani media, the Pakistani people could see
Irshad,
and count
Irshad,
the crows,
take Irshad.
the pigeons and the little
Let me
birds.
make one point clear here.
But
Jalal Sahab, I want to
in
make
that,
one thing clear,
especially
that these
in
were
Bhavalpur,
casualties.
almost the
Let
entire
General Bakshi
family of
complete,
Masood Azhar
please.
was wiped out.
Abdulji, let him
He
complete
was-
and then you come in. Yeah.
And I'll just finish.
Yes, sir.
You see, the simple fact was that Masood Azhar was heard crying his heart out to the Pakistani media कि Allah Ta'ala ने मुझे भी उठा लिया होता, मुझे क्यों छोड़ दिया. That is a fact, right? We are not happy to see people die, but the simple fact is that people who get innocents murdered, they must realize the pain. They must feel the pain in their own turn. Indians are not there for slaughtering. Indians are not there for killing. And the clear message is, any act of terror will henceforth be deemed an act of war. That is the clear Modi doctrine enunciated after Op Sindoor. And to hell with the nuclear backdrop, we will not let that deter us. And we will not distinguish between the so-called non-state and state actors.
Yes, absolutely not,
Arnab,
sir.
you just showed how lieutenant generals, major generals,
They were there at
for
the last rites,
funerals
yes.
of globally designated terrorists.
Yes. Sir, absolutely. I want
Depiction of state, non-state
I would,
actors.
before I go to Deepak Vora, I think Irshad wants to comment, and Abdul Samad, you want to come in with something briefly, I think, out there.
I want to respond. I mean, these were civilian casualties. They were innocent people. They have nothing to do with the terrorism. Those, the family of the Masood Azhar wasn't involved in any kind of terrorism.
Deepak Vora must respond to that. Deepak Vora. I got your point. I want Deepak Vora to respond to that.
You cannot punish someone else cries to someone.
And when you carry out 26/11, you were looking for specific targets?
Those 26 were innocents and must be...
When you carried out, when you sent Kasab, you were looking for military targets?
You cannot kill the father of Kasab because he was not involved.
No. But when you sent Kasab into five-star hotels in Delhi, you were looking for what?
How can you kill the sister of the Masood Azhar?
No. One minute. When the Americans, 1 minute, I would like to ask you, sir, please 1 minute. You see, when you kept gave sanctuary to Osama bin Laden, and when the Apache helicopters came in from the Americans and the Marines came in, were there civilian casualties? Did you go crying to America at that point of time? That why were Osama bin Laden's relatives targeted? Is it a valid question, sir? Deepak sir.
They were accompanied by Osama bin Laden. Their 3 wives were present over there. Osama bin Laden's children were present over there, and they were taken into the custody, and they were for a few months.
Really? Tell me where they were. You 1 minute. Where in Islamabad? You claimed you did not even know where Osama bin Laden is. How did you know where his family was? You just gave it away. Deepak Vora, the importance of what? The importance. Deepak Vora on the importance of Ilyas Kashmiri's comment today. He's a top Jaish commander. Yes, please. Deepak Vora.
Thank you very much, sir. Always a pleasure to be with you.
Likewise.
I imbibe energy.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Next to you, son. Thank you.
You can tell him, sir.
Now, what this gentleman, Manus Ilyas, not Manus.
Masood
Ilyas.
Manus Ilyas.
Whatever he has said. I see 3 things in this, sir. One, he has fallen out with his controllers in the Pakistani army because he's not getting the funds that he thought he would get, basically because they don't have the money to give him anymore, and he has outlived his utility. We know who the fellow is, we know who his cadres are, we are eliminating them ruthlessly. The second thing, sir, I believe that the mullah who claims to be the full marshal of Pakistan, I think he's losing his grip. Otherwise, this Ilyasi character wouldn't have dared open his mouth. He would have been, run over by a truck or a bus or something like that. He would have been eliminated.
Sir.
The third thing, what I just heard, saying you killed innocent people, this is exactly what Pakistan's official line is going to be starting tomorrow, that look, there were, these terrorists, they didn't kill, they killed innocent people. So the innocent people were the civilian shields for the terrorists. What were they doing in a terror training center? Eating chole bhature. The reality is that this argument is now going to become the official narrative that the Indians actually didn't kill the big guy, they killed his family. Well, it's what you yourself, the Americans, call collateral damage. If you're hiding behind your women, what do you expect anyone to do? This is what this brave mullah, whatever his name is, was doing, hiding behind his women.
Hiding behind his family members. I'd like a response from Irshad. इरशाद जी, you are here on the program today. आप तो डिनाई कर रहे थे, आपने कहा था कहीं पे हिट नहीं हुई, यहाँ पे रोना धोना चल रहा है जैश ए मोहम्मद के स्टेज पर.
बहुत शुक्रिया जी. पहले तो मैं कहूंगा कि ये जो आपने पुलवामा वाला एक ड्रामा रचाया हुआ है पिछले 3-4 माह से, आप चाहते क्या है, करना क्या चाहते हैं? पहले तो ये है कि देखें, अभी अब्दुल समद याकूब भी कह रहे थे
अब्दुल समद याकूब
लोगों को मारा आपने, शहीद किया, मस्जिद में सोए हुए बच्चों को, बच्चियों को, बुजुर्गों को आपने मार दिया. लेकिन जो आपका मकसद था उसमें पूरे नहीं हुए. आपने बकौल आपके और मेजर गौरव आर्या के, आपने लाहौर के समंदर पे भी कब्जा कर लिया था, बंदरगाहें भी आपने कब्जा कर ली थी लाहौर की जाकर के, और नूरखान एयरबेस भी आपने तोड़ फोड़ दिया था. देखें सर,
9 टेरर कैंप अटैक किए थे. आपने कहा था आपने टेरर कैंप अटैक नहीं किया, तो फिर जैश ए मोहम्मद के स्टेज पर इसको लेके एक मिनट पहले आप अब्दुल समाद याकूब और जीडी बख्शी के साथ डिबेट कीजिए. आपने अब तक कहा कि बहावलपुर में कोई अटैक नहीं हुई, मुरीदके पे कोई अटैक नहीं हुई, और हमने कहा नहीं 100 वहां पे आतंकवादी मारे गए. आपने कहा कोई इंपैक्ट नहीं हुआ. एक मिनट, आप झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं पाकिस्तान के लोगों को? आप झूठ क्यों बोलते हैं उनको? आपकी एयर डिफेंसेस कहां थी?
मुझे बोलने दे.
आपकी एयर डिफेंसेस कहां थी?
अगर आप बोलने
नाकाम क्यों हो गए आपके एयर डिफेंसेस?
अगर आपने शोर डाला, अर्नब, यही तो प्रॉब्लम
मेरी
है आपकी।
किताब बोलो,
आपकी
दे
प्रॉब्लम
दे,
यह है कि
ऑपरेशन
दूसरे की
सिंदूर
आवाज
की
को
जल्दी।
दबाने की कोशिश
और
करते
एनक।
हैं। मुझसे सवाल किया, मुझसे जवाब लीजिए। मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं, मैं शोर नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं आर्गुमेंट करना चाहता हूं आपसे बात कर। मैं ही कह रहा हूं कि मौलाना मसूद अजहर की फैमिली को अगर आपने शहीद किया, जुल्म किया, पुलवामा में जो ड्रामा किया वो भी जुल्म किया कश्मीरियों के साथ, जिन लोगों को दहशतगर्द बनाकर के वहां मारा वो भी कश्मीरी थे जो आपकी जेलों में मौजूद थे, उनको मारा वो भी कश्मीरियों के साथ जुल्म किया आपने। अभी आप चाहे अभी मुझे ये बताइए,
आपने मसूद अजहर और ओसामा बिन लादेन और दाऊद इब्राहिम को पाल के क्यों रखा है? आप बताइए मुझे। आप मुझे मत बताइए, जेल बख्शी को
मसूद
बताइए।
अजहर का बाल बिका नहीं कर सकते आप मसूद अजहर के
जेल बख्शी
मसूद अजहर के को भी नहीं पकड़ सके।
देखिए
के बच्चों को
जनाब
मारा,
आली,
मस्जिद में सोए हुए लोगों को मारा, आपने शहीद किया। लाठी बड़ी बेआवाज है। इंशाल्लाह इसका आपको बदला मिलेगा, इसका आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा। जो लोग मस्जिद में शहीद किया आपने, बच्चे बच्चियां खवातीन, हम कब कह रहे हैं कि आपने मस्जिद पे हमला नहीं किया? हम कह रहे हैं मस्जिदों पे आपने हमला किया।
26/11 में,
इबादतगाहों को
26/11 में
किया। मेरी
26/11 में आपने 175
सामने डरते क्यों है?
निहत्थे आवाम मारे थे, औरतें, बच्चे, बूढ़े। ठीक है, नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप बड़े घड़ियाली आंसू बहा रहे हैं। आपने 26/11 में क्या किया था? उसके पहले जो 2003 के ट्रेन के ब्लास्ट हुए थे, उसमें जो 200 के ऊपर अफराद मारे थे, औरतें, बच्चे, बूढ़े, निहत्थे।
हम तो आपका फ्रॉड,
ठीक है साहब, आपने मारे ही औरतें, बच्चे, बूढ़े हैं यहाँ पे,
फ्रॉड की
और आप आज घड़ियाली आंसू बहा रहे हैं। हम तो ढूंढ रहे थे।
Abdul Samad Yaqub is also on. I can see him say something. Abdul Samad
आखिरी दिन
Yaqub.
वो अपने कमरे से निकल
अब्दुल
गया,
समाद याकूब,
दूसरे
audio up.
कमरे चला गया।
Bring his audio up.
मैं
आपको बताना चाहता हूँ,
people were innocent were killed and you kill the innocent people. I mean, is it the justification that if some innocent, if 3,000 people were killed in the New York, in the Manhattan 9/11, then you killed 15 लाख बंदे आपने उधर मार दिए, यानी कि innocent का innocent से क्या किया जा सकता है? कि जो लोग इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं, आप अगर सिविलियन पॉपुलेशन को अटैक करेंगे,
जेल बख्शी,
जेल
बख्शी is bullet or something from his book. जेल बख्शी,
मैं आपको जरा नाम गिना दूं जो मरे हैं। 140 टेररिस्ट इन अटैक्स में मरे, जिसमें से कि मुदस्सर, ठीक है, वो शामिल है। और मैं आपको और नाम गिनाता हूं, खासकर जो यहाँ पे शहीद हुए हैं, जो मारे गए हैं। ठीक है,
कि जो मसूद अजहर की इमीडिएट फैमिली और उसकी जो फैमिली मारी गई वो टेररिस्ट थी या नहीं थी?
नहीं, बख्शी दीपक बोरा।
What were they doing in the camp?
आप जरा नाम गिन
अगर आपने मसूद अजहर को मारा होता तो कोलैटरल डैमेज कहा जा सकता था इसको। आप इसको कैसे कोलैटरल डैमेज के तौर पर justify
So वो
करेंगे?
क्या कर रहे थे in a place that is known to be...
जेल बख्शी,
मैं आपको वो नाम गिना देना चाहता हूं, स्पेसिफिक नाम, जो 6 हाई वैल्यू टारगेट्स वहां पे ठोक दी गई थी। 140 मारे गए थे टोटल, और मैं जरा नाम सुन लीजिए आप, ठीक है। मुदस्सर खादियान खास, इलियास अबू जिंदल, हाफिज मोहम्मद जमील, जैशे मोहम्मद यूसुफ अजहर, छोटा भाई मसूद अजहर का, जिसे उस्ताद जी कहा जाता था, जो कि IC 814 की हाईजैकिंग में इन्वॉल्व था। खालिद एलायस अबू आकाशा, नटोरियस वेपन स्मगलर, और जिसने बहुत सारे टेररिस्ट हमलों में इन्वॉल्व था। उसका फ्यूनरल जो था वो आर्मी के सर्विंग ऑफिसर्स और पुलिस ऑफिसर्स फुल यूनिफॉर्म में आए थे। मोहम्मद हसन खान, जैशे मोहम्मद का, सन ऑफ मुफ्ती असगर खान, कारी मोहम्मद इकबाल, लश्करे तोयबा कमांडर, नोडल ऑपरेटिव फॉर कोऑर्डिनेटिंग टेरर ट्रेनिंग एंड इन्फिल्ट्रेशन, गली एंड कृष्णा घाटी। ठीक है, ये तो 6 टॉप कमांडर हैं। हमारे पास 140 नाम हैं और जो कि डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट थे, वेल नोन टेररिस्ट थे, ठीक है। हमने रात के 1 और 2 बजे के बीच में हमला किया ताकि कोई सिविलियन आसपास ना हो, ठीक है।
सुन ले,
वो अपनी फैमिलियों को आड़ लगा के
अब्दुल समाद and Jerry Jerry only two.
हाईजैकिंग की थी,
using their families as shields.
मसूद अजहर, एक मिनट, मसूद अजहर ने जब हाईजैकिंग की थी IC 814 की, तो क्या वो मिलिट्री को वहां पे हॉस्टेज रखा था कि सिविलियंस को? आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आज वही लोग कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, जेल बख्शी। लुक एट द एग्जांपल। नहीं, यू कांट प्ले द विक्टिम नाउ। जेल बख्शी प्लीज, 1 मिनट, दीपक वोरा प्लीज, दीपक वोरा, यू मस्ट गिव इट बैक टू हिम।
ये लोग
बोलिए दीपक वोरा जी, बोलिए।
आप कह रहे हो कि वो इनोसेंट थे, मारे गए। वो टेरर कैंप में क्या कर रहे थे सर? Were they cooking food over there? We all know that there were terror training camps. They were identified. What were they doing there? Why did he keep them there and why did he run away himself? ये क्या मतलब है? कोई terror training camp हो, वहाँ एक बच्चे को बिठा दो जी, यहाँ नहीं हमला कर सकते। What kind of logic is this?
Amazing. Well, I'll only tell you this, sir. So 1 minute, sir. I'll tell you this. Remember what Masood Azhar did. Remember what he did in IC 814 hijack. और उस समय तो वो भाग गए थे. History comes back.
Karma.
History and karma come back.
बच्चों पे फायर खोला, क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं आप?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
हमको इंसानी हक।
जी. Sorry to interrupt that. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to take a short break now. But at 9 o'clock tonight, we need to be clear about one thing. Tomorrow is the Prime Minister's birthday. I have no qualms in saying tonight, and neither should you, that India needs Modi. Without a doubt. Hashtag at this point of time in our history, with the challenges we are facing. Hashtag India needs Modi. See you. Thank you.
Time for a quick breather. अर्नब
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।